Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to play Dragon Ball Sparking Zero with friends. So this is going to be quite simple. Before we begin, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So to play it with your friends, if you are a player who has just started jumping into hit figure game, however this is some particular wording in the menus to navigate to find the couch co-op mod. If you want to play local multiplayer with your friends, navigate to these menus. So if you simply head over to your menu, you can go for the split screen method. So you can see in the offline version we have player 1 versus player 2, we have player 1 versus CPU and CPU versus CPU as well. So after launching the Dragon Ball Z Sparking Zero, you can immediately jump to split screen, and this will be getting you guys to play it on basically multiplayer mode. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. And if you are still looking for something else, you can let us know in the comments below. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible, trying to fix up the issue and whatever you are trying to look for. So, yeah, that is pretty much it for this one. Make sure to subscribe and see you around in the next video.